In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a lost or stolen Truist card. Losing your card or having it stolen can certainly be a stressful situation, but rest assured there are simple steps you can take to report it. By doing this promptly, you can help protect yourself from unauthorized transactions and keep your assets safe. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Truist Bank. This will lead you to the bank's official website, a safe and secure platform where you can find all the necessary contact information you need. Once the Truist Bank homepage loads, look for the Contact section, which is prominently displayed to help you quickly access their customer service details. Clicking on Contact will bring you to a page full of valuable information. This includes different options for reaching out to Truist, whether it's via phone, email, or even in person. If your situation requires immediate assistance, it's best to call their helpline directly. On this contact page, you'll see a phone number you can dial for urgent inquiries. If you're calling from within the United States, there's a dedicated number for domestic calls. Keeping this number handy could save you precious time in a pinch, so it's a good idea to note it or save it in your phone contacts. Truist's customer service operates from Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They also provide assistance on Saturdays, albeit with slightly reduced hours, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Do keep in mind that Sundays are reserved for 24-hour automated assistance only, where you can still report your card as lost or stolen. If you prefer addressing these situations in person, you can stop by your nearest Truist branch. Many people find comfort in speaking face-to-face with a bank representative, especially when handling sensitive matters like a lost or stolen card. To save time, consider making an appointment beforehand, ensuring that a representative will be ready to assist you promptly upon arrival. Moreover, if you need more personalized advice, consulting with a Truist advisor can be incredibly helpful. They can offer tailored solutions and guide you through the next steps after reporting your card. Once you're connected with a representative, clearly and calmly report that your card has been lost or stolen. They'll help you through the process of canceling your current card and, if needed, assist you in ordering a replacement. By following these steps, you're taking a proactive approach to safeguarding your finances. Promptly reporting a lost or stolen Truist card is crucial in preventing unauthorized access to your account. Take a deep breath and know that you're not alone. Help is just a call or click away.